Ever copy-pasted interface properties and thought there must be a better way? There is. To extend an interface in TypeScript, use the extends keyword. The syntax is straightforward. Interface chilled interface extends parent interface. This creates a new interface that inherits everything from the parent. Think of it like saying this interface is the parent interface plus whatever else I define here. When you extend an interface, the child automatically inherits all properties and their types from the parent. You don't need to redeclare them. This means any object satisfying the child interface must also satisfy the parent interface. It's inheritance at the type level. TypeScript lets you extend multiple interfaces at once using comma-separated syntax. Just write interface my interface extends interface a comma interface b. The child inherits from all parents simultaneously. This is TypeScript's version of multiple inheritance, and it works because interfaces only define structure, not implementation. The real power is that extended interfaces can add their own new properties. You get everything from the parent, plus whatever unique properties you define. This builds rich type hierarchies from simple reusable pieces. Use extends to inherit interface properties, extend multiple interfaces with commas, and add new properties to build flexible type hierarchies. Now go build some type-safe code. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.